Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create animated videos for free with your mobile device. Before we get started, the following are the required tools you need. 1. A mobile device. 2. An internet connection. 3. A web browser, either Chrome or Opera Mini, and as well if you have Firefox. Okay, once you have all this, then you are on the way to start creating a custom characters and animations with your smartphone. Without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. Before we get started, please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and like my video. Okay, now once you have all the required tools mentioned earlier, for the sake of this tutorial I'll be using a wider screen. Okay, you can as well do this on your mobile device. Alright guys, so let's continue. Now what you need to do is to open up your web browser and type Adobe animation free, just like that, and click enter. So what you will see is the one that says make animation for YouTube for free. Alright, so you click on it. Then once you do that, it will ask you to sign in, which I've done already. So you could sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. So once you've done that, it will take you to a page like this. Now at this point, what you need to do is just select from the characters available. You have the Muslim girl, you have the old parts, you have Maya, and different types of character, whereby you can as well change the background, okay, to any one of your choice, and you can as well replace the background. So can create many different astonishing animated videos. So let's look at what I've done so far. Now to continue, you make use of this one, which is called, it's trying to auto lip sync my audio record into the character. Okay, now once this is done, I would continue from there. Alright, now at this junction, so once you play whatever you've recorded so far, you will see it talking. Okay, and once you are done with that, just select download and it will download to your web to your download folder. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you another time. Bye for now.